Welcome guys to the video. Today we're going to be seeing about MLG. MLG is called Major League Gaming, and we're going to be seeing about Water Bucket MLG in particular. So what is Water Bucket MLG? The act of placing down water from a water bucket when you fall from great heights to prevent damage is Water Bucket MLG. And with the perfect timing, from any heights you can get away with zero damage being taken. And this 3 iron ingots and a water source is really very overpowered. Let's start off with a 6 block tall tower, and this is most commonly the scenario when you're traveling in plains biome or any other biome. You just tend to fall from small heights and take a very little damage, and this can be like 1 or 2 hearts or even half a heart. This may not seem like much, but when this happens again and again in an important situation, you can lose a serious amount of health. So to prevent this, a simple water bucket is really very helpful. The number one tip I would be giving is to place your cursor always vertically 90 degree down. When you don't place it 90 degree down, and if you place it like this when you fall down, placing water there is of no use. This one is pretty easy, everyone can do it. As I said, this is very easy. Now let's move to something more taller than that. And the water bucket can also be used for climbing this. You don't need to bridge up all the way. Yeah. Now let's move to something more taller than that. These three are all really very easy. You can do that in like less than 10 minutes. Now this is where it becomes little tricky. The value of acceleration in Minecraft is very higher than the ones in the real life, so you will be falling really very fast. Yeah, this could happen like a lot of times, so you have to be careful. I'm not covering up my mistake. What are you talking? So as I said, you have to be careful and you have to place in the last second, like in the last moment. You have to really time it. You have to really time it perfectly. So this requires some practice. Even a lot of pro people can tend to fail this in some instant. This requires some practice. And getting on to the next one, this is a really high tower, and this might be the case when you're fighting the dragon in the end and you're on top of one of the obsidian towers and you want to get down. A simple water bucket MLG could save it. You have to do it at the last second. One common way to MLG for beginners is by spam clicking. I wouldn't recommend that, but from small heights that could help a lot. And if you're in the need, go ahead with it, because something is better than nothing. And if you have a good amount of clicks per second, it could come in handy. Can we MLG from the sky limit? Find out in the next video, and until then, have a nice time guys, enjoy your day.